Welcome back. This video is about some short IDs that triggered yesterday. If we go to the stock selection and we check on the trade IDs, it takes a little bit of time. Yeah, okay. We can see that we had yesterday quite a few buy IDs and quite a few short IDs. So I will only look at these short IDs. We can see that the four IDs that were breakdown on volume all triggered. So yesterday I only took the pay trade IDs and I didn't take any of the three others. So let's see how and why. So first let's go on the pay ID. If I click on the pay, okay, this is the pay trade ID. So pay was a breakdown below, I think it's about 32. So when we broke below 32, this signal was sent, this alert was sent, and then we pull back up above 32 and I showed it somewhere around this area. Okay, we should have a look also at the real-time system. We go to the volume search and we type pay here, and we can see that early in the day pay had a volume surge, which means that the breakdown on volume was a valid breakdown. That is the reason why I took that trade. Okay, so let's go back to the selection, trade IDs. Yeah, okay, so that was the first one. The second one is Kiwi. Kiwi, I will take another screen for Kiwi. Yes, here, Kiwi. Kiwi was quite interesting because, as you can see, we broke below the entry price, which was about here, 27.6 I think, and then we bounced right above it. And what is interesting is that the volume starts coming in when we crossed above yesterday's zone here. You see, when we crossed above, okay, about here or here at 12:30, between 11:30 and 12:30, volume start to pick up. If you look at the volume, where is this volume? Yeah, okay, here. If you look at the volume for Kiwi, we can see that early in the day volume did not really come in. It was really above normal level volume, and then here, starting here at 12:30, volume started to come in, and then we have this explosion of volume on the reversals. You see, as soon as we clear the high of the previous day, then volume, the automatic buy order start to kick in, and the price move up. So that is very interesting. It is clearly a reversal day for Kiwi. Very difficult to short a stock that is pushing higher on strong volume. Okay, that was for Kiwi. If you look at AXP, AXP is so it's a credit card company. If I type AXP, what we can see is that we broke down very fast below the entry price and stayed there for whole day long. So it was very difficult to short this stock. It was really impossible. And if we look at investment brokers here, is E-Trade. It was E-Trade, okay, and not investment broker. It was an investment broker group, but it's E-Trade. You can see E-Trade broke down very fast below the entry price and then pulled really below the entry price of 28.2. It was quite difficult to catch this one, and I could not really catch it. So, and you can see at the end of the day, volume came back in, and maybe we have a reversal tomorrow. That I really cannot say. But all in all, you can see that it's not that easy to catch a breakdown on volume, because as soon as the price breaks very fast below the entry level, you basically have little chance to enter the trade. Otherwise you enter at a very extended price. So that is why as soon as it breaks down on volume, you have to act fast if it's not really far down below the entry price, or you have to wait for the price to bounce back to the entry level. If you don't have on the bounce huge volume coming in, that is the most important. You cannot short if on the bounce you have huge volume coming in. So this is to show you that it's quite useful to combine here the volume surge figure, that is a real-time figure, to the effective volume figure, which is also telling you what the large players are doing. Thank you.